client wanted to chop all his hair off and go down the wavelength. After fading them up and laying the hair down, we began this lineup, making 100% sure that we do not push this thing back. Now the back lining is so crucial, it really brings the haircut together. I see so many barbers dig into this part, and it's really unnecessary. Here's the final cut. My client paid over $100 for this. Let me know what you guys think.
I charge $75 for a haircut.
Damn!
What's the reason why you continue like paying that higher price?
See consistency, but every time I come, like honestly, another good.
You look good!
And I always get a compliment from it.
Who the fuck is that guy?
What we rocking with today, bro? Same thing?
Same one, man.
The mid taper?
Yeah, with the little thing on the side.
Alright, the little geo dashes?
Yeah, the signature.
You got a whack barber and you want to leave him and come fuck with Gio, but y'all on the same lease and the lease ain't up no time soon. You just got to sneak and make some trips, make them understand. I be putting people on, yeah, I be trying to tell them.
They scared, bro. They got this tight bond with their barber. They know the barber kind of trash or it ain't hitting the same, but they built this bond with them. They're in a toxic relationship with their barber.
It's 2023 now, yo. The prices is up and all that. I came from New Brunswick. I ain't been nowhere else, yo, since September 2016. Gio been the only person that has cut my hair when I had it and touched on my beard. So that shit, until he moved to Mexico or one of them exotic countries he be going to, that's how that shit go.
You can only move your bottom teeth and not the top ones. Random and interesting facts. The last one may surprise you. It's almost impossible to blink 3 times in a row with just one eye. Are you able to do it? Strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries aren't berries, but bananas and watermelons are. Hair is the second fastest growing tissue in the body after bone marrow. Follow for more daily content and click the link in bio to book an appointment.
The time, right? Sometimes that matters more than the actual haircut. You show up for it, you know, to get your haircut at a certain time, and then you'll be waiting there like an hour and a half, 2 hours. But with you, like, you never had that problem.
The 2016 to 2023, like, why are you still rocking with me?
Every time I show up for my scheduled time, I get cut. The haircuts are amazing and always on time. Always on time. Like, I appreciate the professionalism.
Cool.
You know how it is.
Drop fade, shorten down the top and keep the curls.
Right.
Line up the top of the beard.
Yep.
Don't touch down underneath, right?
No. Yeah.
Eyebrows still?
Yep.
Take them off, right?
Yep.
Take them off, right?
Yeah. Take them off.
Got him! I got you, bro.
Take them off. Nah.